Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how I curl my hair using a straightener. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so basically I am going to start with combing my hair. And I do use a wet brush just because it doesn't pull on my hair as much as other brushes, so I do recommend this one. So after you're done combing through your hair, I typically go ahead and section my hair a little bit under halfway, so something like this. And then the remaining I go ahead and tie it up just so it won't be in my face. So also with this, just go ahead and part it in two. You can go ahead and brush your hair again. My hair in like the bottom section typically gets really tangled. I always like to start off with my left side. My left side I could do pretty quick, and my right side I struggle a little, or it's just a little bit more time consuming. So then I grab this half and I section this off as well. So you're just working it in sections and you put the rest on the top. That's why I like to do the bun, because it holds itself with my bun. So then you go ahead and section it one more time, and you can kind of decide how big you want your chunks. I typically I don't like them too thick, but then you can just brush them with your hand as well. So I typically grab this much and I grab my straightener. So with my straightener I go ahead and straighten the first half, twist it to where this hair is straight down, and then you just go pull it down. So then this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing that. I like to put this hair back, that way I don't get it confused with the curls that I'm about to do. And on my side I like to keep it forward, that way it doesn't get confused with the hair that I already curled in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my other section and then just repeat those same steps. You want to section it, get your straightener, strain the first half, twist it, get it straight here, and then you're just gonna slide down. Whenever I curl my hair, I typically like to wear it curled for 2 days before I wash it. That way you're not putting too much heat on your hair. You can always use the dry shampoo after the first part that I sectioned off in the beginning is done. I typically like to stick to doing my left side first. So I go back and I part my hair from my left side. Just comb my hands through. So I part it from my left side all the way to the back, that way we can start doing the back hair as well. Grab that section, and don't worry if you get a lot, because you are sectioning it little by little. So this one was kind of a big chunk, and I can tell because my curl starts right here. So what I do is I just part this in two, and that way it looks a little better. Curling my hair with the straightener is a lot faster than curling it with the wand. I don't know why. Some people it's the opposite, but for me I just got used to curling my hair with the straightener. And honestly I like it because when I travel I can just take my straightener and I don't have to worry about taking an extra curling wand, and I can style my hair either straight or curly depending on how I want it. And then also you don't have to straighten the first half if you don't want to. You can go straight into curling it. It's totally up to you. That's just my preference because I like my hair to still have some length, and curling it from right on top just kind of takes away from that length. I typically love just brushing my hair with my hands because with the brush it just kind of makes it a little bit more frizzier. So to avoid that, I just use my hands. So then again, I'm just gonna finish my left section. And then wherever you want to go ahead and part your hair, I typically part mine in the middle, so that's why I like doing one half first. But it's totally up to you. You can work it where you're just finishing both sides and you're going pretty even. To me, it's just easier to do it this way. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my right side. Just gonna put that hair back that way so I don't get confused with this chunk, because if you end up pulling it, then your chongo falls off and then it's kind of like a mess. So just avoid that and put your hair, the remaining of your pony back. After you're done curling your hair, you just want to go ahead and put it forward, run your fingers through it. Like I said, I don't like when my curls are pretty much like, this is a good example, I don't like when they're like this. I like my curls to be nice and loose and kind of like doing their own thing.